should know that blaspheming devotee is very dangerous, and we do it. We do it grossly, verbally, and mentally. We're doing it grossly, verbally, and mentally. For some of us, it's every moment. I'll give you an example. To see a devotee and not feeling happy is an Apradha. So we should try to understand so that we know exactly what to do to achieve the goal of what we are here in Krishna Consciousness. To see a devotee and not feeling happy. Parama Parat. This is in the mind, it is subtle, it is not gross. It's not even verbal, but it is mental, it's there in the mind, feeling happy. Upon seeing a devotee, one does not feel happy. Parama Parat. Upon seeing a devotee, one does not offer humble obeisances. Parama Parat. You see a devotee, no obeisance. See a devotee, not feeling happy. See a devotee, angry. Parama. In any form we make these offenses, has the same big consequences in chanting the holy name, in having a cordial relationship with the holy name. These things should be looked at carefully. We're happy seeing a devotee. We see a devotee offer respectful obeisances. Even if you are husband and wives that sleep together, they say, oh, boys and girls, oh, we sleep in the same room, wake up together. Obeisances. Each person, every devotee is our standard process to be followed for success in Krishna consciousness. Even if you we the same room we slept. Yes, obeisances. Krishna consciousness begins from obeisances. Look at our mighty Bhagavatam. It begins from where? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. That's the beginning. That is the beginning of human life. No obeisances. It is not a problem. You don't feel bad. You are a sophisticated devotee. Sophisticated devotee, not a humble devotee. Sophisticated devotee will not offer obeisances. Doesn't know the importance of obeisances. Our chariots are speaking not to offer obeisances to devotee upon seeing a devotee. So I'm not happy with you. Why will I offer you obeisance? When I'm thinking you should just leave my sin. I don't want to see. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. We're too impersonal. Impersonalism is too much in our consciousness. That is why we are very dry brahmacharis, dry sannyasis, dry whatever, householders, dry vanapastas. A devotee should not be dry. And Prabhupada did not create a society for us to come and suffer. He gave us a society to come and enjoy. To enjoy, we have to pay the price. Get rid of all the narratives.